welcome to Sparklebox. Today I am gonna show you how to make a beautiful rainbow paper craft. The materials required are the rectangular sheet, fevi-stick, scissors, a scale, pencil and colorful strips. What about sketch pens? Come, let's start the procedure. Take a rectangular sheet and draw a cloud on it. And then let's cut it. Let's decorate our cloud. Your paper rainbow craft is ready! Give it a try yourself, kids, and let us know in the comment section below. And tomorrow I'll be back with some interesting